Struggling with alcohol and the bad decisions that follow, you're not alone and you're not broken. Nobody wakes up and says, "Today I'll ruin my life." It starts with one drink to take the edge off until the edge becomes the whole story. If you're tired of the spiral, the guilt, the cover-ups, the promises you keep making and breaking, listen closely. This book shows you exactly why just one more keeps pulling you deeper. It exposes the emotional triggers, the denial, and the quiet war happening inside you. But here's what nobody tells you. Healing begins after the buzz fades, when you stop running from yourself and finally start rebuilding. How to get drunk and make bad decisions isn't a lecture. It isn't fake advice. It's raw, it's honest, and it hands you the tools to rebuild your confidence, repair your relationships, and finally feel proud of the person staring back at you. If you're ready to take your life back, if you want your next chapter to be your comeback story, visit realokelo.com and start your recovery today.